Okay, today we're going to replace the cable on an Equalizer climbing tree stand. The 2004 to 2007, when you need to replace your cables, you will need to purchase the Equalizer conversion cable, and this is what we're showing you how to do, as well as replace the cable, but to replace the conversion cable. You will need the cable block dock, cable block dock cover, and a cable, a 3mm Allen wrench, and a 5/16 socket wrench. So first we'll start with removing the bolts. You may have a 2-bolt or a 3-bolt block. Either one is fine. Put your parts in one little place so you don't lose one little nut or bolt, because then you got a problem. You don't want that, neither do I. Pretty simple. It's a few minutes just to get these out. You will need to back them out a little bit with the Allen wrench, and eventually you'll just be able to pull them out. There that one comes. There we go. There we go. Go. Of course, you're going to use those over again. So you slide your cable block dock and cable block dock cover out of the cable housing. Remove your cable block dock cover. Pretty simple. It's a little more tricky to do this one, but there he goes. Just as easy as could be. Sometimes it's not that easy, but you'll get it. Slide your terminal end through the channel. Release your swiftlock cable silencer, and back out your swiftlock cable knob, and slide your terminal end out of the keyed channel bar, and you've got it out. Put those over there because you're going to use the new ones. I'm going to replace the swiftlock terminal side first into the keyed channel bar. Secure your swiftlock knob. Make sure you feel for the swiftlock terminal knob post at the bottom of your channel bar to make sure you've got it seated properly. And all these 3mm holes, you will need to check for that so you know you got it locked properly. Slide your cable terminal end on the cable block side down the channel. Seat the terminal end into the cable block dock. Very easy. A lot easier going in than coming out, actually. And the cable block housing has 2 little channels. You need to line them up. So if you hold on the bottom of this cable housing and then just slide that channel, slide it into the channel. Replace your bolts. They'll slide in so far, and then you'll need to use your Allen wrench. Put your hex nuts back on. Let's get them going. Wrong way, I guess. Yeah, righty-tighty. Okay, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Go. Just so they're snug. Never over tighten anything. Every year you want to check your bolts and your hex nuts and make sure they're snug, and most likely they will be because the hex nut, nylon hex nut, doesn't back out. Just so they're snug. Okay. Okay. It's done. Replace the cable. I'm going to put my silencer back in. The equalizer conversion cable, or just a regular cable from 2008 to 2016. You can just order the regular cable. From 2004 to 2007, you need the equalizer conversion cable, found at buckshotmfg.com. Instructions will come, so if you forgot how this is done, you can follow the instructions or come back and review this video. And that easy. The equalizer tree stand is well worth the price of the cable and updating your tree stand or just replacing your cable. It's not necessary to update unless you feel like your cable needs to be replaced. So, thank you very much.